Hello everyone. Today, the Winter Marketing Tool channel will guide you on how to extract members from any Facebook group. Alright, let's start the video. Continuing with the MKT UID software, in the previous video I showed you how to scrape groups based on keywords. I have an Excel file containing the Facebook groups I'm interested in. Copy the UIDs of the groups from which I want to scrape the members. Switch to the MKT UID software, select the Scan Group Member feature, and paste the group UID you want to scrape. Next, choose the account category for scraping, set the number of members you want to scrape, and finally, click Start and let the software do the work. Okay, after the software finishes running, we can export the data to an Excel file. In it, we can view information such as the group UID, the UIDs of the members just scraped, the Facebook account names, the gender of the accounts, and the personal Facebook profile links of those users. If you have any questions, please contact me using the information in the video description. Thank you, and see you again.